Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm at my parents again right now and they are doing remodeling in their house. So we don't have a real stove or anything. We're using the grill to heat up some food right now. And I'm still on this. It's been 2 months now since I've been on the Esselstyn diet with the no oil, no sugar, very low sodium. I'm gonna change it up a little bit now. I feel that I reached my goal with the cholesterol and everything. I'm gonna try to incorporate a few different foods back in my diet and see how I feel. I'm going to use some natural fats such as avocado. So I'm going to try some avocado today, and I'm making a burger. The burger that I'm making is the Engine 2 burger. I found this at Whole Foods. This is a poblano black bean burger, and this is by Rip Esselstyn. So this is Esselstyn's son that makes these different kind of foods. We got burgers. I found ravioli and a few other things there as well, but I got the burger today. I'm going to use a little bit of Ezekiel bread, and then for condiments I'm going to put a little bit of salsa on there. It's a low sodium salsa. And then over here we have some potatoes boiling on the grill, and then we also have some corn. Okay, we were looking for some Beyond Burgers, not for me, but for my my mom. She was gonna have those, and they were all out. Obviously,
get close, you'll see it's great.
they're doing so well right now that they're always out, which is, it's good that people are buying them, but it's when you want them, they're hard to find. We ended up picking up Do-It-Yourself Burgers by Tofurky instead, so they have something. Then we have the tofu pups. Been eating these for years and years and years. We're just gonna wait for those to cook right now, and I'll see you soon. We have cut up onion, red onion, cucumber, tomato, and the Do-It-Yourself burger I'm gonna put on the grill. So we're gonna open that up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You just form it into
Your hands clean?
Yeah, my hands are clean. You form them into a burger, and if any drops on the ground, Molly will eat it.
She just did.
There we go. There's a nice little patty. We're gonna put it over here on the grill. We have sweet potato or salt potatoes that are done. If you guys don't know what salt potatoes are, it's kind of a Syracuse, New York thing. It's a small little potato, and it is cooked in salt water, and it kind of coats it, and it's almost like a baked potato even though it's boiled, and they're really good. And you would think there's a ton of salt in it, but it's really only on the coating of it. So, and then we have corn. What is that noise? Are there dinosaurs out there in the creek? No Beyond Burgers. My mom is actually, she's upset. She's disappointed they didn't have Beyond. She had her heart set on Beyond Burger. She likes those. You should check out my video that I did last summer with mom and dad out here trying the Beyond Burger for the first time. Also, I'm wondering, you guys are probably wondering what this is made of from the Tofurky. Let's see. It is organic soy flour, expeller pressed non-GMO canola oil, pea protein, non-GMO coconut oil. A lot of oils are in this. I'm not gonna eat this. 4 servings per container. Serving size is 4 ounces. Calories per serving is 260. Total fat is 18 grams. Cholesterol is 0. Sodium is 610. Protein is 15. Do-It-Yourself burger. Here's my burger. This is the burger, the Engine 2 burger. It's so messy in the background. I got some avocado on there for the first time on my diet. And then what do you guys got over here? How's the Do-It-Yourself burger?
Really good. Yeah, well, that's all that's left.
So I guess it's good. You said you didn't like it as good as the Beyond Burger, but it's still good?
Yeah, but I like the Beyond Burger better.
Yeah.
I agree. That's all that's left of mine.
My shirt.
Thanks.
We're hungry.
Hey Molly. Hey Dad.
Hi.
Alright, it's falling apart here, but I'm gonna try the burger with the Ezekiel bread, onion, salsa, tomato, avocado. It's pretty good when you haven't had a burger in 2 months. I like it, but it's not anything like the Beyond Burger or anything like that. It's more of it's dry. I have a lot of stuff on it to make it taste better. So that's just me being honest, but I love it, if you understand what I'm saying. What do you think? It's my dad. There's glow-in-the-dark Molly.
Yeah,
Glow-in-the-dark Molly. She's blind.
Gonna take pictures of him with that outfit on?
It's his mustard outfit. He got some mustard on him, and now he's changed into like a mustard yellow shirt because he got some mustard colored mustard all over the place when the top wasn't on, and he decided to shake it all over the place. It even landed on Molly.
I did that about 20 years ago in the kitchen with ketchup.
I remember that.
That was 40
Ketchup.
He shook it up and it went all over the ceiling, everywhere.
was
Ketchup.
Everywhere.
White.
Who takes the top off of ketchup? And you don't take tops off of ketchup. And you don't take tops off of mustard either.
Well, maybe you
So
gotta stop hitting them.
I was just shaking it up.
How do you pronounce your potato chips?
Potato.
Potato. Potato. Potato.
Potato chip.
Potato chip. My grandma used to say that too. Potato. Want a pickle? All right. Well,
We're the only
that's signing out from my parents' house, July 2018.
Come again.
I'll see you guys soon. That was
Lake
dinner.
George.
Molly wants to say goodbye too. We're going live with Molly Cooney.
Molly's gonna be famous, huh?
She is.
Because she'll be in your video and they all like Molly. There goes another bat. Look at him.
There's bats in the sky. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up.
Watch out for zombies and subscribe now.